Hello everyone. Today we will introduce the ATV 300 all-terrain vehicle. Whether it's outdoor exploration, farm work, or weekend leisure and entertainment, the ATV 300 can easily handle it. It is equipped with a 287.2 cc's, single-cylinder 4-stroke water-cooled engine, with a maximum power of 17 kilowatts, and a maximum torque of 28 Newton-meters. The electronic fuel injection FI system, combined with electric start, makes vehicle starting easier and power output more stable. The ATV 300 is equipped with a switchable to-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive system, making it easy to handle mud, gravel roads, and complex terrains. The independent suspension and hydraulic disc brake system make driving more comfortable and safe. The maximum speed can reach 70 kilometers per hour, and the double seat design makes travel more convenient. ATV 300 combines power, passability, and fun. Welcome to contact us for more product information.